What's up, guys? This is Lonnie Strickland with LRS Photography here today to bring you another unboxing. Today, we're going to unbox the FeiyuhTech G6plus. Oh man, let's see what we got. Ooh, that's pretty. Now, this FeiyuhTech G6 Plus is going to be a game changer for a lot of people because, let me just show you. 6500 GoPro Hero Session RX0, and even your iPhones work on this gimbal. This is a complete game changer. I mean, how many people can say they have an all-in-one gimbal? Not many. So let's get to it. Let's open it up. And it's gonna come with the same cases like the Gimbal 2 and the G6. That's what it's looking like out the box. Oh yeah. There she is. Oh, ain't she pretty? And we got an email right in the middle of this. Don't worry about it. And it's going to come with the LCD screen just like on the G6. And this puppy has a focus wheel. So this wheel is going to work tilt, pan, roll, and follow focus, and a few other features I have to get back to you after I do some more field testing with it. It's going to record. It's also going to be able to change modes, white balance, stuff like that. And it comes with a hold button, a tilt button, switch here. I don't know if you can see that, tilt switch here. And it's going to come with 2 1/4-inch threads. So you can add monitors, which is amazing, which I'm not going to say this, but a certain company doesn't come with any 1/4-inch threads and you have to get an adapter. So this is very thoughtful for them to do. I'm going to get some field tests with this puppy, man. I can't wait to take it out and show you guys what it can do. I think this gimbal is actually going to be a game changer. I think the MSRP is $269. This has a 800-gram payload, 12-hour battery time, 3-hour charge. It's actually $360 on the bottom holder here. And the net weight of this thing is only 663 grams. And with the 6500, man, that's gonna be like no weight at all. So you'll be able to hold this thing all day. So let me get some field testing and I'll get another review back to you guys. Thanks. And like, comment, and subscribe.